Hi, I'm Willow. Come join me for an enchanting bedtime story where pigs fly, a magical journey that'll surely inspire your dreams. When Pigs Fly, written by Willow Roots and illustrated by Midjourney AI. When pigs fly, maybe I will too. And cats and dogs and perhaps even you. Imagine what we will see. Way above the tops of trees, traveling will be so much easier. Not to mention, so much breezier. We could follow rivers like roads and get front row seats to fireworks shows. Care for a picnic on a plane wing? Or sit on top of a mountain like a king? We might help the geese fly in a V. Oh yes, the things we will see. We could go to a new land where they use words I might not understand, and when I say hi, they may be confused. But when I smile, they'll surely be amused. Yes, when pigs fly, I will too. And that's just what I shall do. I'll make friends just like you. Thanks for joining me tonight. See you next time. Good night.